Okay, so now I've already opened this key. Sometimes this key doesn't really work. You on, it doesn't on. Okay, so what I did is I removed the behind portion of it. First is this cover. This cover usually you have to chongkel keluar using the test pen. Got 3 notch, thin notch. This is easier to come out. Okay, got 3 notch, 1 2 3. Okay, this is easier to come out, this 3 notch. Then you can just pull out slowly. Then this is the harder one. Alright, this one I've already cleaned. I use this spun cuci pinggan mangkuk 3M brand to cuci with sabun. Okay, now dry already. Alright, so now it looks clean, and also clean this portion. Another level of contact here. This is spring loaded contact. Okay, got spring inside. So what I do, I use rubber grease. Okay, this is the rubber grease I use, PBR. I put a bit of rubber grease at the bottom. Alright, once you put the rubber grease at the bottom, you fit this rotor in. Wait, hold on. There's only one way you can go in. Okay, you look, there's a notch. Follow the notch and pasang this thing in. Alright, it's in. So once the rotor is in the correct position, follow the notch. So now we time to put this back plate. So this is another contact which we clean. Okay, there is an opening here. I don't know if you can see in the camera or not. There's actually an opening here for the wire to go in. Alright, so we just push this thing in. Okay, slowly. Okay, slowly push in. Voila, it's in. Okay, can hear the click. Make sure the 3 notches here. 1, 2, they are in properly. Okay, once they are in, okay, I forgot that I need to spray this. Okay, spray a bit of silicone spray. Okay, just for further protection. Next, last is the cover. Okay, this cover also follow this wire. Notch is for the where the wire is. So slowly push this cover in. Okay, it's in. That's it. It's done. That's all. Fix for FZ. So lastly, before you fix into the bike, don't forget the cable tie. Right? My cable tie is a bit big. Get a proper nice small one so you can snug properly. Okay, so this will fix your switch where you put on, suddenly the off halfway. Very dangerous on the motorbike, on the highway and road. Suddenly the bike will give way, so you have to off and on to start the bike again. So after now I won't have this problem until the behind again gets dirty again, alright, oxidized. So to open, I need to use like a test pen. I have to open the center clip first. Okay, I don't know if you can see or not. Okay, let me just wipe this. There's a center notch. Push that out to take out the top cover, 3 sides. Then you push the bottom out. Okay, bottom here. Alright, all the best. Okay, the key is finally in the bike. Alright, the key switch. Let's test and see. On. Perfect, no issues. I wiggle the thing. No problem. Alright, let's start and see. Oh, it starts also even better than it usually does. The kick is much stronger. Perfect. All is up and running. So basically the kick is much better than before. It starts also easier, and as you can see, if I wiggle, power doesn't cut off. So when the bike is going fast and this is wiggling with vibration and all that, it doesn't go off. Alright, project is all done.